There are 5 specific dumbbell exercises that will strip more fat off your body in 30 minutes than an hour on the treadmill. To understand why, you have to look at the biological mechanism of fat loss. Small, isolated movements like bicep curls are fine for local growth, but they do not demand enough energy to trigger what is known as metabolic disruption. We need big, multi-joint movements that challenge the entire body under heavy load. This graph illustrates the difference in energy demand. When you perform steady-state cardio, your heart rate goes up and you burn calories while moving. But the moment you step off the machine, the calorie burn stops. When you perform heavy resistance training, you create a massive wave of metabolic disruption that forces your body to keep burning calories for up to 38 hours. That prolonged afterburn is the biological cost of recovery. Your body has to spend massive amounts of energy to replenish depleted glycogen stores, clear out accumulated metabolic waste, and repair the damaged muscle fibers. To create this effect, you do not need complex machines. You only need 2 dumbbells, a small patch of floor space, and leave your ego behind. True fat loss comes down to forcing a highly expensive metabolic response from your body. It is the intensity and the full body demand of the movement, not the duration of the sweat session, that forces your metabolism to adapt. Exercise 1 is the dumbbell thruster. It acts as the ultimate movement through transferring power from the lower body directly into the upper body. You start by holding 2 dumbbells in the front rack position at your shoulders. From there, you execute a deep squat, drive up forcefully with your legs, and use that momentum to press the weights overhead in one fluid, continuous motion. Using dumbbells instead of a barbell forces each arm to work independently. You cannot cheat or let your stronger side take over. Your core and shoulder stabilizer muscles have to fire constantly just to keep the weights balanced throughout the full range of motion. For the thruster, aim for 4 sets of 10 reps, keeping a smooth, controlled tempo. Rest exactly 60 seconds between sets. Your legs are the largest muscle group in your body, and your upper back and shoulders are the second largest. Combining a deep squat and an overhead press forces massive amounts of blood to pump between these extremities, creating an enormous and immediate spike in oxygen demand. Exercise 2 is the dumbbell renegade row. This places your body under constant physical tension from start to finish, targeting your lats, rhomboids, biceps, and deep core. You set up in a rigid push-up plank position, with your hands gripping the dumbbells on the floor. From that plank, you row 1 dumbbell up to your side, lower it back to the floor, and row the opposite side. This split screen illustrates the common point of failure. People often select a weight that is too heavy, which causes their hips to twist and sway as they pull the dumbbell up. The goal is to keep your back perfectly flat and level with the floor. When you lift 1 dumbbell off the ground, your body naturally wants to rotate toward that side. Fighting that exact rotation, what we call anti-rotation, forces your obliques and your deep core stabilizers to work in overdrive to keep you locked in place. Do 3 sets of 8 reps per side with a strict 60-second rest. Drop the weight down to something highly manageable. Form is critical here. Because you are actively holding a rigid plank the entire time, there is 0 rest during the set. Your body has to burn a massive number of calories simply to prevent you from falling over. Exercise number 3 is the dumbbell swing. This is a ballistic hip hinge designed to heavily target your posterior chain, your hamstrings, and your glutes. Look at the side-by-side hand placement here. Cupping the vertical head of a dumbbell forces your forearms and hands to work significantly harder to maintain control compared to hooking your fingers around a standard kettlebell handle. You execute this by driving entirely through the hips. You explosively snap your hips forward to project the weight outward and actively control its descent. Program this for 4 sets of 15 reps using a single, heavier dumbbell. Rest for 60 seconds between each set. Ballistic movements require speed and power. That speed recruits your fast-twitch muscle fibers to fire, which are significantly more metabolically expensive for your body to fuel during the movement and to repair afterward. Exercise 4 is a continuous chain of 3 distinct movements: the reverse lunge, to curl, to press. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, you step back into a deep reverse lunge. As you drive your weight forward to stand up, you immediately curl the dumbbells to your shoulders and then press them straight overhead. Lower the weights and alternate to the other leg. The technique relies entirely on momentum transfer. It must be executed as one unbroken, seamless flow, rather than 3 separate, choppy exercises. Perform 3 sets of 8 reps per side. Give yourself 90 seconds of rest here. The fatigue from chaining 3 movements together accumulates very quickly. Layering a lower body push, an upper body pull, and an upper body press together demands so much oxygen that it spikes your heart rate into zone 4 and 5. You get the cardiovascular intensity of a full sprint while actively stimulating muscle growth. Exercise 5 is the ultimate full body finisher, the man maker. Watch the active muscle groups illuminate in this diagram. You start by hinging down to place the dumbbells on the floor. You jump back into a plank, perform a push-up, and then execute a renegade row on both the left and right sides. From there, you jump your feet back forward to your hands. As you stand up, you clean the dumbbells to your shoulders and then drive them into a full overhead press. That entire sequence is exactly 1 rep. Do not attempt this with heavy weights on your first try. Grab a light pair of 15 or 20-pound dumbbells. The complexity of the sequence will make even very light loads feel incredibly demanding. Keep the volume low. 3 sets of 5 total reps is all you need to finish the routine. A single repetition includes a squat, a hinge, a push, a pull, and a core stabilization plank. By compressing an entire full body circuit into a single movement, you guarantee maximum metabolic disruption. When you sequence these 5 specific exercises together, you build a protocol that taxes every major muscle group and energy system. This is the complete workflow. Take a screenshot of this checklist right now so you have the sets, reps, and rest timers ready for your next session. I challenge you to run this exact circuit 3 times this week on alternating days. Pair it with a 30-minute walk, hit your protein goals, and get 8 hours of sleep. After you try it, leave a comment letting me know which specific exercise wrecked you the hardest. My bet is entirely on the man makers. Then click the video on your screen to see the exact programming structure needed to progress. True physical transformation requires intensity. By replacing endless low-stress cardio with heavy, full-body resistance protocols, you force your metabolism to adapt, grow, and continuously burn energy long after you leave the gym.